Hello trader, welcome to my channel. My name is AdeDavidson. I'm a trader, and right here on this channel, I share my knowledge, experiences, and document my journey into the forex market. If today is the first time of visiting my channel, do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video like this. Without much talk, without further ado, let's get right into it. I want to reduce the numbers of pairs currently trading with right now. Okay, so I'm doing this today in order to document the actions or steps I want to take today, so that for over some time or for over some weeks right now, my trading edge has been somehow like there are some lapses I'm seeing in my trading edge for the past few days or for the past few weeks right now. It looks massive. There is something I'm doing wrong, like there's something I'm not doing right there. And after reflecting, the only answer I was able to come up with is that I'm everywhere. Like I didn't focus on one particular thing. I'm not doing one particular thing, and that is exactly of same reason why I want to reduce the numbers of pairs at the moment. Okay, so I want to reduce it to about 2 or 1. So I'll just go ahead into my trading platform now, which is TradingView, where I usually do my analysis and take out some of the pairs I currently have on my watch list right now. So I'm recording this video today in order to journal this action, or this test I'm about to take. So I want to do this for a few months to this time. So today is 19th of April. So in the next 1 month, like probably 19th of June or 19th of May, which is a month to this time, or probably in 2 months to this time, I want to stick to this routine or this rule that is me trading these 2 pairs or 1 pair. Okay, so I want to see the kind of result I'll be able to get and how I'll be able to develop my trading edge more, or to even trade with more precision. Okay, so that is why I'm creating this video today. So I'll be going ahead into my trading view right now. So check out my checklist and look at the pairs I'll be working with and the ones I'll have to take out. Well, before now, the numbers of pairs I'm trading are currently very much than this. So I had to reduce them until I was able to get this pairs that I currently have on my watch list right now. So and again, I'm reducing it. I'm reducing it again. So right now, I'll keep one fast pair, and then I'll keep one other normal pair. I'll keep one fast pair, which is, and I think the one I'll be working with is BTC USD. As of code, I'm out of it. I'll take this out. I'll take gold out of the picture. So I'll leave BTC for my fast pair, and I'm contemplating between choosing either USD card, NZD USD, or Euro USD, GBP USD. I have no idea of which one to go for, but one thing I am pretty sure of is all of these USD pairs, they all move in the same way. They all move, their price action is quite similar. So at the moment, I will just go ahead with USD and NZD USD. So I'll take out Euro USD. They all move the same way. And I have, don't get me wrong, I'm not doing this because I don't understand all these pairs price actions, but the main essence or the reasons why I'm doing this is because I'm everywhere. Like I'm not focused on one pair at the moment. Let's say I have a set of bringing on USD card or NZD USD, so, and at the same time I have a set of bringing on Euro USD or GBP USD also. So just imagine me scrolling, monitoring price right there on NZD USD, and also scrolling to Euro USD, GBP USD, and the rest of them. I think I also have JPY like it exactly. So at that moment, like me looking at it all at the same time, instead of me to just focus on one thing, that is what is disturbing me at the moment, and it's affecting my edge a lot. Okay, it affects my edge a lot. So that is why currently, like that is why I'm currently, or let me say I currently want to let go of all these pairs for now, at least for now. Let me focus on just one. So it's not because I don't know or I don't understand how this pairs moves, but I just want to limit my uh attention. Yeah, let me put it that way. I want to limit my attention to one particular pair. Okay, if I'm trading USD card at that moment, my focus, my entire attention should be on USD card. If I'm having a set of viewing of forming on a NZUSD, my attention or focus should be on it for that particular period of time. Not that while looking at USD card and NZUSD, I'll be also looking at NZDJP1 and the rest of them. So that is exact same reason, or my exact reason why I want to cut this short. Okay, so right there, I think I'll be going with USD card and NZUSD alone. So if you know me before now, with I trade with I work with, or my one of my major components is tracking correlation, which is SMT. So I use two pairs like USD card and NZUSD. I use the tracking correlation, or also known as SMT. I use the SMT that occurs on this asset as extra components. Okay, so that's why I usually pick two assets like this or two pairs like this. Okay, it's not as if I trade both at the same time. All right, I only go for the one that has uh or the one that has a higher probability of playing out. Okay, so after looking at the SMT that occur on both assets, so right there I only have BTC and I also have USD card or NZUSD. So I'm usually working on with this pair. I'm usually working with this pair for the next few months. So let's see how I'm going to turn out. How I'm going to turn out, and I hope, oh yeah, I hope I'm pretty that this will turn out well. And that is all I want to share with you right there in this video. But before you leave, do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop a video like this. Until next time, I wish you good luck, good day, and good trading.